Yeah, cause
that street be down there, really.
the what?
Street be down there.
Oh yeah, they really couldn't go nowhere.
Walk down to the corner, check that truck out.
Gotta ease on down there.
Ease on through that, buddy boy.
So you gonna walk down there? Uh-huh. Pick it up. Man, pick it up. Tell him, man, what's good with you? Just like everybody else is like. Down yonder. Lord Taylor drivers. What's up? Seems good. What's up? What?
We're about the highest point right in here. But once it take us, we in trouble. I use that fuel. That's a street.
It used to be a street.
It used to be a street. Oh, you can't get rid of
Oh no, these is old rusty shoes.
So you get I used that too with
Spiders and worms. They done caught all the insects to come out of their hiding space. Y'all see that? That's a street. No sense. Wait for that tornado to drop. Right here, choo-choo train on our street. I'm gone.
just because the train stopped up on one street, go on Fay Street. we just, so that is the highest.
Uh-huh.
We just have to be in the high point.
Yeah, if that high point get taken, then that,
Yeah, you know.
you're in a whole world of trouble.
Yeah, if that high point wash out, then
And that's something, all this wind and that kite don't want to get caught up.
must don't know it's not no
Yeah, all this wind.
the wind going.
Oh. You get stuck in the tree again? Oh, there you go.
Better pull it.
Like it wrapped around it?
Let it go. Yeah. Let it go. Pull it across. And
Last time it was like this was 6 years ago?
6 years ago, we had this problem. Joshua was a little smaller. He wouldn't wade out in it 6 years ago. If he had to wade it out in it, we had to come get it. This is our neighborhood. This is how it looked after Tropical Storm Fay. Decides to favor us with plenty of water.